Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering and inspecting each component so you avoid mid-set failures. Check firmware and drivers on the controller and audio interface. Outdated firmware can break routing. Once done, plug gear into a single grounded strip to reduce hum and ground loops. Make sure cables are labeled L/R and by device. This speeds troubleshooting. If you use a laptop, set sleep to never and connect to power. That prevents audio dropouts and keeps CPU stable during performance. Now configure signal flow in software so audio reaches the audience and your headphones. Connect the controller or mixer main outputs to the PA using balanced XLR when possible to reduce noise. RCA is acceptable for short runs. Once your audio interface is USB connected, choose it as the primary device in your DJ software and set buffer size low enough for latency but stable. Then assign cue and master outputs, create headphone mixes, and play a test track to confirm routing and level. Finish by leveling and verifying real-time monitoring so your set sounds clean. Adjust gain staging by bringing channel trims to unity and ensuring master peaks stay below 0 dB to prevent clipping. Monitor in headphones and over the PA. Listen specifically for latency, clicks, and hum, and make small EQ adjustments. If problems persist, swap cables or the USB port. A key troubleshooting tip: if you lose audio, reset the audio device in software, then reboot the controller. This often restores routing without a full system restart.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.